Eu și mă dedicat la...
Guardi.
Ja, mă lebu.
Right.
You want to take my bread?
I'm Mrs. Devanga Hassan.
Take my bread. Huh? You worked there before this?
I've been working in Devanga Health Center.
Oh, never. So, but you're going to be here? You go.
I was the one working here.
Oh, okay. You think you know this machine is right? There you go. How's that?
That's it.
Special today is
That's what, 84?
Very good.
84?
one day
Oh, very good.
Very good.